Okay, I want to do a short on the 2012 Ford Focus 2012, 13, 14, 15 rear brakes. This is in the rear of the car. So we want to look at changing those rear pads on this thing. And the key here is the piston that normally you would press that piston in so that you don't have to worry about all the bleeding of the fluid. Here you have to have a special kit, not really a kit, but a tool, like it's called a wind back tool. But first I'm just going to pop these clips off that holds the pads on. At least I'm going to attempt to do that. And then I want to focus on this tool. Get that out of there. Again, pop that out. So we'll just remember we got to get back on at the end. But if we can see here on the back side, got this little clip. We're gonna have to pop that out. And that's a hex that goes in, and you twist that off. And there's one on the bottom. But again, for the piston, you're gonna need a special tool. And I went ahead. You can go to O'Reilly's here, or in this case, I went to AutoZone, and you get this kit, rear brake caliper kit. Let's see if I got that turned right. So you get this kit, and I don't know why I want to open. Okay, guys. You get this caliper kit here, but the main thing is you're going to have this thing with two little prongs, and that's going to fit inside of the caliper, the piston that has this with the two holes, and you have to twist it, reverse it, back it out, if you will, as you push it down. And that's what this tool will do. You'll twist it and you'll push it down. You'll twist this part here, and then it'll press the piston down. So I'm gonna try to demonstrate that in a separate video, which will be another short, hopefully. I need to get everything off so I can prepare that to show you how we're going to do that, and the best way to do it. Okay, so check out the next one as I prepare this. Give me a like, thumb up, and keep watching.